ChatGPT is here, and we, over the past 3 weeks, have been talking about the buzz, the opportunities, the content, the technology, the creativity, and all the things that you can use ChatGPT to do. Yes, it's a great opportunity, but I just want you to take note of this. That yes, we are using it to solve our problems in terms of creating content. We are using it to generate codes. We are using it to do a lot. But you just need to be a little careful about what you use ChatGPT to do. So I'm going to share with you how I found this, and I know that yes, you need to be protected. In as much as you put in content, you are using ChatGPT, it's hard work. If you don't have the mind to tell it what to do, it will not do anything for you. So if you don't have the ideas to generate and use ChatGPT to make income, it will never make you any money. So in as much as you are buying data, you are using your internet connectivity, you are using maybe domains, you are using your YouTube channel, you are using codes, you want to do applications, you are doing all this. It's all hard work. And this is it. If you are using it, just be a little careful. And I want to share with you what it has revealed to me. So when you go to the chat, let's go to my screen and you see the ChatGPT interface. So if you are new to this is how you get to start. Log in, then you start creating content. So I put in a simple prompt, which is, and this is the prompt. I say, is text generated by ChatGPT subject to copyright, and what are the copyrights? So that's a simple question. So I just asked that simple question, and you can see what it gave. It says the text generated by ChatGPT is subject to copyright by Open Ai, the company that developed the model. According to Open Ai's terms of service, the text generated by the model is considered, listen to this is the important part, that the text you are generating with copy.ai or Open AI is considered to be their original content, and as such is protected by copyright laws. So take this again. The text generated by the model is considered their original content, and as such is protected by copyright laws. So the terms of service that states that you can use the text generated by ChatGPT for non-commercial and personal use. However, for commercial use, you need to obtain a license from OpenAI. So this is what it's telling us. That for commercial use, you need to get a license to be able to use this for commercial purposes. And I found this very worrying, because I was thinking that, okay, it's a great opportunity for us to be able to, all of us to be able to generate content. It's Open.ai, and no one regulates the content. It's just, it uses AI to generate the content. But here we are, it's telling me that this content is for OpenAI, and that model, whatever you generate, whether it's a code, whether it's a text message, quotes, motivational quotes, social media content, is considered their text, and that's their original content, not you, the creator. And that is worrying, and we need to, as tech savvies or people who are using this to create opportunities, yes, you don't need to be worried too much about it, because for example, if you are using it to create YouTube titles, you can picking it a different level, and you're going to generate content yourself. But then if you are using it for codes, if you are using it for ebooks, if you are using it for blogging, you need to be extra careful about this. Based on what I've just read, and let's go back to it, based on what I just showed you, that yes, the text generated by ChatGPT is subject to copyright by OpenAI, the company that developed the model. According to OpenAI's terms of service, the text generated by model is considered to be their original content. And I'm worried because you may not be able to use it for commercial purposes unless you obtain licenses. And I don't know how they get the licenses for this. So there are a lot of things that we still need to uncover using this particular ChatGPT. So use it, but use it wisely, take advantage of it, but don't go into their laws or don't get into their copyright laws. So that's why we need to know how we are using it. If you are new to this, my name is Ibrahim Mustafa. Follow and let's do more. Let's create more opportunities. Let's create more content. I believe in you. And I know we can be able to do more. So thank you very much.